Hey guys, what's up? And today we're doing another match Attax pack of 9. We have 3 packets today and we're going to see if we can get some good players. Right, so please subscribe this channel as it's only just new. I have got another channel that's going to get deleted and it's also called this. So please subscribe this one, but if you want to subscribe the other one, do that if you want. But anyway, let's just start opening. Basic first. First we've got Scott Arfield and the code card, and read that if you want. Second we've got Steve Cook. We've got Michael Dawson. We've got Raheem Sterling. Martin Kelly. William. Boyan. Ray. This one's a City badge. And Andy Carey. Right, and our second packet. First we've got code card Santi Cazorla. Second we've got Danny Drinkwater. Third we've got Paul Pogba. Pretty good. We've got Alberto Moreno. We've got Jonathan Colleri. We've got Matt Phillips. We've got Alvaro Negredo. Josh Timon. Johan Cabaye, star player. And George Friend, man of the match. Right, let's go on to our last packet of today. We've got Tom Huddlestone. We've got Junior Stanislas. We've got Christian Benteke. We've got Mason Holgate. We've got Havard Nordtvedt. We've got Roberto Firmino. We've got injury card. We've got Shinji Osazaki. We've got Manuel Lanzini code card, read that, and no, we just got 100 Club Gareth Bale. No way. Like, yes. Right, remember to leave a subscription and a like, please. And thanks for watching. Bye.